Welcome to today's video discussion on the potential health benefits of using baking soda, a common household item that may hold more health advantages than you realize. Often overlooked and underestimated, baking soda, typically associated with baking and cleaning, could indeed be a secret weapon for your well-being. Today, we delve into the science and anecdotal evidence surrounding the myriad wonders of baking soda, exploring its potential to soothe ailments ranging from stomach discomfort to improving workout performance. But how does baking soda work its magic? Can something so simple truly be effective? And are there any risks associated with its regular use? Stick around as we uncover the facts, debunk myths, and explore how to harness the full potential of baking soda safely. You might find yourself reconsidering its role in your home. Before we dive into the benefits, let's establish a critical note. The information shared here is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Every piece of information has been thoroughly researched and validated by experts. Let's begin with the first benefit, heartburn relief. When stomach acid causes discomfort by reaching into the esophagus, a solution of baking soda in water can neutralize the excess acid, providing immediate relief. Baking soda acts as a base, countering the acidity in the stomach, offering a practical remedy for occasional heartburn. Moving on to oral health, baking soda's mild abrasive properties make it effective in removing plaque and surface stains from teeth. Studies have shown that toothpaste containing baking soda outperforms non-baking soda toothpaste in plaque removal without damaging enamel or gum. In the realm of exercise, baking soda has gained attention for its potential to enhance athletic performance, particularly in high-intensity sports. Acting as a buffering agent, it helps maintain pH levels in the body, delaying muscle fatigue during strenuous exercise. For individuals with chronic kidney disease, baking soda can help manage metabolic acidosis by neutralizing excess acid in the body, potentially slowing down the progression of kidney disease. Baking soda also aids in improving digestive function, particularly for occasional indigestion and upset stomach. It acts as an antacid, neutralizing stomach acids and enhancing overall digestive efficiency. The antimicrobial properties of baking soda make it valuable for preventing skin infections. It inhibits the growth of certain bacteria and fungi, making it useful for conditions like athlete's foot or folliculitis. Alkalizing the urine with baking soda can potentially reduce the frequency and severity of urinary tract infections by creating a less hospitable environment for bacteria like E. coli. Additionally, baking soda serves as a natural deodorizer, neutralizing odors in various environments, from body odor to trash bins. For individuals suffering from gout, baking soda can help lower uric acid levels by alkalizing the body fluids, potentially reducing the frequency and severity of gout attacks. In cancer treatment, baking soda may enhance chemotherapy efficacy by modulating the pH of tumors, making cancer cells more susceptible to treatment. Emerging evidence suggests that alkalizing the blood with baking soda might have beneficial effects on cognitive function, potentially influencing cognitive health positively. Finally, baking soda can soothe canker sores by neutralizing acids in the mouth, reducing inflammation, and inhibiting the growth of microorganisms that could worsen the sore. In conclusion, baking soda offers a range of potential health benefits, from oral hygiene to digestive health, skincare, and beyond. However, it's essential to use it responsibly and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. Remember, moderation is key, and while baking soda can be a valuable tool in your health arsenal, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for some more useful content and health-related tips. Let's make every day a step towards a happier and healthier you.